Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use JazzHR. JazzHR is a cloud-based recruitment software designed to streamline and simplify the hiring process for businesses of all sizes. It offers a range of tools to help teams attract, evaluate, and hire the best talent efficiently. With a focus on collaboration, automation, and customization, JazzHR is ideal for businesses looking to improve their recruitment workflows without relying on manual processes or outdated methods. Key features of JazzHR: job posting and distribution. JazzHR allows you to post job openings across multiple platforms, including job boards, Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, social media channels, and your own career site. You can create customized job descriptions, making it easier to attract the right candidates. Applicant Tracking System or ATS. It offers a robust ATS that helps track candidates through every stage of the hiring process, from initial application to interview and offer. JazzHR keeps all candidate information in one place for easy access and collaboration. In order for you to start, search in Google JazzHR, sign in, and make sure to click the first website, and this will be the outcome. Anyway, click Start a free trial and make sure to input all the information that are needed. You need to wait for a couple of hours in order to have an account. Make sure to always check email. Once everything is done, start step 1. Set up your organization. Once logged in, the platform will guide you through an initial setup process where you will define your company's details and customize your account settings. Add your company logo, office location, and any other relevant business info to personalize your JazzHR account. Step 2. Creating a job opening. Navigate to job postings. From the dashboard, click on Jobs in the left-hand menu. Then click Create Job button. Job details. Job title. Enter the position you are hiring for. Job description. Write a clear and detailed description of the role, responsibilities, and required skills. You can format the description using headings, bullet points, and bold text. Job location. Choose the office location or remote. Employment type. Specify if the job is full-time, part-time, temporary, or contract. Salary. Optionally, you can add salary information. Job requirements. List the qualifications, skills, and experiences required for the position. This will help with candidate filtering later on. Job posting settings. Choose the platforms where you'd like to post your job. Example, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, your company's career page, etc. JazzHR offers integration with these platforms, making it easy to reach potential candidates. Publish. Once you're done, click Publish to make the job live on the selected job boards and your career page. Step 3. Managing applicants. Review applications. After posting a job, applicants will start applying through your job listing. You can track the applicants directly from the dashboard or the Jobs section. Click on any job listing to view the list of candidates that have applied. Candidate profiles. Each applicant's profile includes their resume, cover letter, contact info, and application status. You can view resumes and even rate and leave feedback on candidates. Candidate pipeline. JazzHR helps you track where each candidate is in the hiring process. You will see a candidate status, example, new, reviewed, interviewing, offered, hired, and can move them through different stages with just a click. Step 4. Collaboration with your hiring team. Invite team members. From the Settings menu, click on Users and then invite user to add other team members to your JazzHR account. Assign roles and permissions to control who can access different parts of the platform. Example, recruiters, hiring managers, admins. Collaborate on candidates. Hiring team members can leave feedback, share notes, and rate candidates on their profiles. Use the comments section on each candidate's profile to discuss their qualifications with your team. Interview scheduling. Schedule interviews with candidates directly in JazzHR by using the interview scheduling feature. You can integrate JazzHR with Google Calendar or Outlook to sync interviews and send calendar invites automatically. Step 5. Automating and customizing your workflow. Create custom workflows. In the Settings section, click on Workflows to create custom recruitment workflows. JazzHR allows you to customize the stages of your hiring pipeline. Example, screening, interviewing, offer, etc. You can automate actions based on stage changes. Example, sending an email to candidates when they move to a new stage. Automated email templates. JazzHR comes with pre-built email templates, but you can customize them or create your own. Set up automated emails for different stages, like acknowledgement emails for applicants, interview invites, and rejection letters. Step 6. Screening and evaluating candidates. Resume parsing. JazzHR automatically parses resumes to extract relevant information, making it easy to evaluate candidates quickly. Candidate rating and tagging. As a recruiter, you can rate candidates based on their fit for the role using a star rating system. Example, 1 to 5 stars. Add tags. Example, strong communicator, technical skills to categorize candidates. Skills assessments. Use the skills assessments feature to send candidates pre-interview assessments. This could be technical tests, personality assessments, or other relevant evaluations based on the job role. Step 7. Reporting and analytics. Track key metrics. JazzHR provides detailed reports on the hiring process, including time to hire, source of hire, and applicant diversity. Navigate to the Reports section from the main menu to view and generate custom reports on your hiring data. Analyze your hiring pipeline. Visualize where each candidate is in your pipeline and track the success rate of your recruitment efforts. You can also export data for further analysis or presentations. Step 8. Integration with other tools. Integrating JazzHR with other systems. JazzHR integrates with a variety of third-party tools to streamline the hiring process, such as HRIS, Human Resource Information Systems, background check providers, onboarding software, job boards, LinkedIn, Indeed, etc. Setting up integrations. To set up integrations, go to Settings, Integrations, and select the tool you want to integrate with. JazzHR provides easy-to-follow setup guides for each integration. Step 9. Finalizing and hiring. Making an offer. When you have found the perfect candidate, use JazzHR to create and send an offer letter. You can customize offer templates or create your own. Send the offer via email and track its acceptance directly in the platform. Onboarding. After your candidate accepts the offer, JazzHR can help transition them to the onboarding process by integrating with various onboarding platforms. And that is all there is on how to use JazzHR. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.